and Namaste parents. Welcome to our channel Ambition Vedic Coaching Institute. See students, today we are taking at another important topic. The topic name is synthesis. The topic name is synthesis. Students, we have seen conjunctions. What happens in conjunction? Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences, two words or phrase. But synthesis is the same way. In synthesis also we can use conjunction, but synthesis is a method of joining two sentences to make a simple one, complex one or compound one. What I am saying, synthesis is a method, is a process of joining two sentences to form a single complex sentence, to form a single compound sentence, or to form a single complex sentence, simple sentence, compound sentence. We can use prepositions, conjunctions, adverbs, adjective to join the sentence. We have already seen conjunctions, not only but also, either or, neither nor, and. This type of conjunction we can use to join the sentence. I am again telling you what in synthesis we can use conjunction to join the sentence. But sir, why you are taking the same again synthesis? Not only conjunctions but also sometimes we have to join sentence as a noun clause, as an adverb clause or as an adjective clause. Sometimes we can again join sentence by using infinitive, by using gerund, like that. We shall see all the sentences one by one. See students, I have written 3 sentences. Before some time I told you synthesis can done by using conjunctions, by using prepositions, adjectives, adverbs, etc. We shall see all the sentences. You know conjunction. The first sentence, she was appreciated, she was rewarded. Same sentence, first and second is same sentence up to subject and helping verb. She was, she was. What is going to happen? Two things were there, but with a single person. In such case, sentence can be joined by using and. See, she was appreciated, she was appreciated and rewarded. But I think we can solve this sentence by another way too. Sir, how we can say? See, two things were happened with a single person. That's why we can use not only but also. She was not only appreciated, she was not only appreciated but also rewarded. This is also the way to join two sentences. That's why I said synthesis is a process in which two sentences are joined, are formed in a single one, whether it may be a complex, simple or compound sentence. By these two ways we can solve this sentence. Second sentence, this is the first one we have solved by two ways. Second sentence, what is second sentence? She had a sore throat. She did not have chilled fizzy drinks. गले में तकलीफ रही तो ठंडा पानी या ठंडा कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स नहीं जाएगी. So these two sentences can be joined like this. She had a sore throat. Therefore, what we shall use? Therefore, she did not have a She did not have chilled. She did not have chilled fizzy drinks. She did not have chilled fizzy drinks. What is the conjunction used here? Therefore, the third sentence. Third sentence, she cannot read Bengali. She cannot write Bengali. She cannot. See, here is somewhat use of mind. She cannot. She is unable to do two things. Which one? She cannot write Bengali. She cannot read Bengali. Means here we can use one conjunction. You know that. Neither nor. Means she can. Not we shall remove. We shall use second negative word, that is neither. She can neither read Bengali. She can neither read Bengali nor write Bengali. Nor write Bengali. See, two things were happening with her. She was unable to read and write Bengali. That's why we can use this sentence by using conjunction neither nor. She can neither read Bengali nor write Bengali. So students, this is synthesis by using conjunction, adjectives, adverb, preposition. Later on we are taking again by using as a noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, and by infinitive gerund also.